The dua that we will be learning tonight, it is a protection not only from one thing, it is a protection from everything. Listen carefully. So Rasulullah ﷺ said, no one who says this dua every morning after Fajr, and every evening starts from Asr and on. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. And when we start anything in our life, when we start eating, when we start drinking, when we start the car, when we leave the house, when we start our job, when you open your business, Bismillah. If you want barakah on that day, you start anything with Bismillah. Bismillahi alladhi la yadurru ma ismihi shay. Nothing will harm with the name of Allah at all, neither in the sky, from the sky, nor from the earth. What does that mean? That means on that day, no, if there was a hurricane from the sky, if there was lightning, if there was heavy rain, that will not harm you. And nothing from the earth and on the earth, no earthquake, no jinn, no human shayateen, no harmful food, no accident, nothing will harm you. Listen to the word, لَمْ يَضُرُّهُ شَيْءٍ. Nothing will harm him or her. No harm will take place to that person. In another narration, Rasulullah ﷺ said, لَمْ تَصُبْهُ فُجَاءَةً. No sudden affliction will take place on that day or on that night. No heart attack. So, listen carefully. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. 3 times, 30 seconds, full coverage. Wallahi ya akhwan. And I will finish with this, and this is the most important statement. The deeper the certainty, the yaqeen in your heart, the higher the protection. The more you are saying this with 100% yaqeen, Rasulullah ﷺ said, no harm will take place, no harm will take place. The man narrating the hadith, he got shalal nusfi, yani half paralyzed. So the man who's listening from him, he said, in a way he looked at him, and he was saying nothing will harm you, and you just got the half paralyzed. He said, Wallahi, the night I get paralyzed, I forgot to say it. Wallahi ya akhwan, anything that we hear, and it's 100% authentic from Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you have to take it not, this is what happens. No, that's not the one we're talking about. We're talking about the one I'm sitting down, Bismillah, الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. 10 seconds, 3 times, 30 seconds, full protection. Say it every day and every night with certainty, with complete yaqeen that you will get the protection of Allah and you will see the result bi'idhnillah. May Allah protect us all. Please teach it to your children. Please teach it to your children from a young age so they can be protected from all that stuff that's happening around them. May Allah protect them all.